The Educare Lyceum, where learning inspires the future. Every child deserves an education that prepares them for life, not just for exams. Welcome to the Educare Lyceum, a prestigious project of the Educare, inspired by the world-renowned Finland Education Model. Our care-based teaching and learning approach makes every child confident, active, responsible, and empowered. We believe learning happens in the classroom. That's why we follow our no homework. Our students learn through exploration, creativity, collaboration, and hands-on experiences that build critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Examinations are conducted independently by the Educare Testing Board to ensure transparency and academic excellence. Education is more than books. Through our clubs and societies, students discover their talents, build leadership, and grow into responsible global citizens. At the Educare Lyceum, we nurture character, creativity, and lifelong success. The Educare Lyceum. Learning today, leading tomorrow. For admissions, visit www.theeducarelyceum.com. Call or WhatsApp at 033 7486 2860.